We start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, after the breakout of the 16, the price tag 22, there was no continuation because we mentioned after the breakout of the 22, we have been looking for the 31 cent. Okay. But right now we are within this correction, and we are within this correction, and we want to see how long, how deep this one can go, whether we can expect for the next drop this one can turn to a deeper correction before we see the continuation or not. Okay. Anyway, at this point, most of the chart we are within the correction. We have to see, we have to wait and see the breakout of the correction for continuation. Okay, and mostly we cannot, whatever the trades we get is within the correction as a short term. Anyway, if we move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, we mentioned, as first of all, as I mentioned, with the breakout of the 22 cent, we're looking for the 31 cent. But the only question is whether this is the start of the uptrend or we can expect for the next drop. Okay, as you can see, the price dropped to 0.124. There was no breakout, and the way is reversing. Mostly we can, I mean, we have to be quite careful from here, because if the continuation as a corrective, the possibility for the next drop is very high. And if we get the next drop, we can expect to see the breakout of the 12 cent. Okay, and at this point, whether we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell, but can we look for this one as a flat, as a 1 2 for one move up? That means if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. Okay, but at this point, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup, and we want to see whether we can see the breakout of this top or not. If not, the continuation, even if we see the continuation as a corrective with the breakout of this one, we can expect for the next drop. Anyway, we have to wait. For me, I don't see any trade setup at this point. And if I move to lower time frame, even forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. Okay. And if we refer to the indicators, if this one give us next drop following by divergence, maybe we can look for buy from here. This is the only things I can see from here, but rather than that, I don't see any opportunity for the trade, because if we want to look for buy, having a trade above this, I'm not really interested. The only option is to look for the sharp move flag. And if I move to the 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Okay, we can look for the trade setup as a short term or scalping, but as a long term, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And the only thing is based on daily chart, whether we can look for this one as a flat for one move up. If I get any opportunity for buy from here, for me, I will take it. But if we get the trade setup, we see the continuation as a corrective of if it's not moving as sharp as what we expect in our direction, we should know how to manage it. Because if the price couldn't continue from here, the possibility for the next drop with the breakout of the 12 cent is very high. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.